Hi all, welcome to another video. In this video we will see how we can copy list item from one site to another site using Power Automate. So here our plan is like we have two sites here, one is IT and one is HR. So in our IT site we have a employee list. So here you can see in employee list we have some data. Now we have another site HR. Here if we go to employee, here you can see here also we have the same list employee. So if you go to here you can see employees. So here it is empty. So what we are going to do today, like we are copying the item from the IT from the employee list to HR. So we are going to do through Power Automate. So let us see how we can do. So let me redirect to Power Automate. So here we will create a new flow. So let me create an instant cloud flow. Copy list item. So we'll create a manually trigger a flow. So just create. So now what we have to do, we have to get the employees list item. So for that we have a SharePoint trigger. So let me search for get items. So here you can see we have a SharePoint action get items. So just select that. Here you have to select your site. So our site is IT. So let me just grab the URL. So here we have pasted our IT site. So here we will get the employees list. So let me select. So now what we have to do, we have to add those items to our HR employee list. So for that we have to add another SharePoint action. So here we will put like create. So here you can see SharePoint create item. So just select that, select your site. So let me grab the HR site URL. So this is our HR site URL. So now we have to select the list, employee list. So now here we have to pass the title and country from the IT site. So for that, if we select here, our get items is the items which we are getting from the IT site. So let me search here. So we need title and we need country. So whenever we add create item, it is an array. So automatically apply to each will be get added. So now we'll test the flow. So let me save here. So before starting, our HR site is empty. So let me test the flow. So manually we'll test, continue, run the flow. So it runs successfully. So now let us go to the HR site again. So if you refresh here, here you can see all the items get added from the IT employee list to the HR employee list.